Hello, what is up, guys? So today we are gonna learn what is ID and classes in CSS. So let's begin. So here, as you can see, I have created a file named second.html. Okay, so let's start. It is my boilerplate. Plate. Let it be named document here. Let's start our server. Go live. 1 minute. Yeah, I don't know why it is like that, but yeah, it is good. Yeah, live server started. So let's begin. Let's now just write anything like in h1 tag. Hello. Okay. So it is showing hello. Let's copy it several times. Okay, I've copied it several times. Now, if as you can see, if I go to the web page here, you can see there are five hellos printing in the web page. Okay, showing five hellos. So what we can do is like if we want to change the color of third hello to red. What can we do? We have an option of adding inline CSS. But other than that, what do we have? There comes into the play that is there it is coming into the play that is ID and classes. By IDs and classes, we can do that. Okay, let's say I want to name this class as H hello. Okay, let's name it hello. You can name it anything. So when I write my CSS here, like in the style tag, I'm gonna use internal CSS here right now. Hello. 1 minute. You have to start it with, if you are using class, if you have to start the name with dot hello when you are writing the CSS for it. Okay. Dot hello. So I want to change the color. So I can do it here. Color is make it red. Yes. As you can see, it has become red. Now, if I want to make the last one red, okay, last hello red, what can we do? Okay, I will just copy it and paste it there. So it will also become like this, red one. So, and one more thing, if I want to use ID, okay, I cannot do that. What I just did, like copy and pasting it in another element. No, ID can only be used once. Like if we are, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me name it ID like hello one. Now, if I want to add CSS to it, I have to start with hashtag hello one. Then color I want to make light green. Okay, as you can see, it has become green. But I cannot use the same ID twice or thrice or any time else. I cannot use it. And can although you can use it, as you can see here, it will show the result. Okay, it will show the result, but there are some times when you try to code something advanced. Okay, do, uh, 1 minute. You are coding for something like very advanced project. In that, you will face some issues. Like if you are using JavaScript, it will show some error. Okay, like in just HTML and CSS, you can use it. You can definitely use it if I just using HTML and CSS. But if you are using JavaScript, it will make a issue. It will make a issue. Like you will not be able to identify what you are trying to add in a certain element. Okay, so it is not a good practice to add duplicate IDs on other elements. So I'll just remove it. Okay. So by ID. So let's summarize the today's session. So by class, I can use multiple classes in different elements. Okay. Or I can use duplicate classes in different elements. In ID, I can also use it. Like duplicate IDs I can use. But it is not a good practice. Okay. It is not a good practice because in advanced projects, you will face some severe issues because of that. Okay. So, and as you can see, one more thing, if you are trying to add CSS to some sort of class, okay, like I have named it hello one, or sorry, the hello class. So you have to start with dot sign. If you are using ID, you have to start with hash sign. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, just like the video. That's all I want from you guys. And bye.